And welcome back, everybody, all of you lovely people. I am so hyped. So, yesterday was Connect, and this was like so exciting. I felt like, yeah, like a kid at the playground, like with a bunch of like new toys and everything. And it also like made me excited um, for this project. Oops, sorry. And so yesterday, like we worked on like a bunch of puzzles, and so now we stopped at the 96, which want to find like all of those like shapes and combine them together. And so we are 96, and so like we're only four away from 100. So there's a chance that we'll get to 100 today. So this is pretty exciting. So what we've done for this one is um, what we've done for this one is to find each of those like pieces of squares, and then try to find like what is the number of field one and what is the gap. So in this case, the number of field is two. There's one gap and again two, like two, three gaps and again two. So we've done, and then we are able to print this. So we have one that is passing, and then the issue. So let me restart this. 96. So the first one is passing, but now the issue is we're not able to get. Why is it not? Yeah, why is this one not working? This one should be working. Oh, the dot. You can't find the dot. Okay, so I can fix this. Yeah, let me, and so yeah, so this is one of the issue is the dot, and the other issue is we only taking into account like this horizontal one. So for example, like this one, we wouldn't be able to take into account right now. So I need to just to do some copy paste. But yeah, let's fix the dot. The dot should be pretty easy. So draw square. Oh, this is dot color. So yep, this is passes. And so now we've got the T, let's say T0. So we've got T1 not passing. So T1. Okay, and so, oh, because it counts this one as a dot. So I thought I had the dots. Uh, oh, and not, and so I don't want to find so shapes. Oh, I don't have any shapes. I see shapes dot find as ss s. So I don't want the same one. It's not equal to ss, and they don't have the same color. It's not equal to ss dot color. Okay, and so now dot doesn't exist anymore. So if we find a dot, then we output it. Oh, otherwise, okay. Okay, so this is why, okay. So if, so dot, so if dot we do that, otherwise we do background color, okay. That makes sense. So this one is passing, so now, okay. So now what about this one? Yep. So this one, it doesn't find this one or this one. So this one is T0, okay. So now what we want is, so now what we want is to find the top left. So in this case, let me make this a bit bigger. So in this case, this was this one. So this one was horizontal. Yep. And so now I want vertical. So because I have a bunch of consts, what I can do, no, actually I can just do let's, yeah. But the other thing I could have done, if I wanted to be fancy, is to create a new block. So I can create a new block like this, and then the const only apply in this block, and so now I can do like another const like this. So let me do that just for fun. I mean, we should probably not do it, but hey, like we also want to have a bit of fun. So the x is equals to the x, and the y and the height. So now we want y plus 1 shape. So now this is the height. So this is y. Yep. Okay. So now we are able to get this one. So we're able to get this. Oh. Why didn't it find this one? Okay, so but with this, we've got everything. So everything is working except for the yellow one. Oh, this is why. Okay. This is why, because I'm only testing that this one are the two of the same, but now this is it. So I need to also test this side. Okay, so shape plus 1 is not equals to background color. Or other shape. Oops, expression, okay. Okay, so other shape minus 1. Okay, so if this is not the right color, yeah, that should be. Let me see if I get in here. Get in here, and other shape dot color. So I want to see the yellow one. The yellow one is 4, so I'm not getting here. Console.log shape, other shape. So if shape.color equals 4, I'm not even getting here. So 4 is yellow. So this is this one. Oh, never mind. Shape, other shape, okay. Oh, shape.height is more than 1. Oh. Okay. So it should be other shape dot height is more than 1, or so one of them needs to be more than 1. oops, shape S. Okay, so now I'm getting two of them. Okay, so I'm getting two of them. So which one am I getting? So the first one is the dot. So so this one and this one. So height and width is 5 by 5. Yep, 5 by 5. Okay. So if other shape dot color equals 4, so we're not, yeah. So let me print this and this. So 1 and 1. Oh no, this is other shape plus other shape dot height minus 2. Okay. So the issue is I wanted to test this pixel, but I was testing this pixel. Yeah, that's not good. Okay, so now this one is working. Right, so why is the first one the dot? Not working anymore. Yeah, this is the dots. I didn't change anything about the dots. Did it find a dot now? T1. T1 is passing. T2. Why is the dot undefined? Oh, I think. And s dot color is not equals to background color. No, because I'm already extracting all of the background color, so this is useless. So dot is undefined. Oh, because it's black. And when I do extract shapes, I remove all of the blacks. No, actually, I should have the blacks. Let's see. Shapes dot filter s dot length equals to 1. I want to see all of the 1 with 1. Yep. So this dot, why is dot not working? So I have length equals to 1. And I don't want with the same color. Oh my god. Okay, I'm making so many rookie mistakes right now. This is bad. Okay, so now, oops. Okay, 3 passed, 1 failed. So now why is this one fading? So now this one is fading because of the red one here. But everything else is good. Okay, so now so yeah, this one, yeah, those examples are like not easy. So which one is this one? It's the one with the red, yep, this one. Yeah, this is weird because like some of them are like super easy like this one, and some of them like this one is like crazy complicated. Okay, so this one, the issue is the red, and yeah, this is expected that it doesn't work. So now this is a vertical one. Okay, so now this is this one, and so now we need this, but instead of all, but now instead of shape plus x, this is going to be shape plus f plus shape dot width minus 1. And now it still doesn't work. Okay, so let me remove all of the console log. Okay, there's no more. Okay, so now what I want to figure out is, okay, so, yep, this is not going well. Okay, so console.log, so I want shape, other shape, and this is if color equals to true. Shape.color equals to 2. First I want to see if I'm getting those 2. Whoa, what am I getting all of this? Oh, because I'm running all of them. Okay, so now I'm getting those 2 shapes. That's good. So now what I want is, yep, so either should work. So I want to test this one, so shape.y plus 1 and this one. So I want to see this. Yep, so this one should be 2. Okay, it's 2. So are we getting it? So we are getting here. But we're getting here twice for 1. Interesting. So yeah, there's a blue one. So the issue is not that we're not getting here for red, is that we're getting here for blue twice. Okay, so I want to see console.log dimension and the color, shade.color. Okay, no, we're only getting here for 2 for 7. Yeah, because we should be getting 2 like multiple times for the blue. That's fine. Okay, this is weird. So now dimensions. Oh, the color is 1. But here we set this is super weird. Like literally I put dimension shape.color, and so this is 7 and 2. Let me actually like verify that this is this. Yep. So I set the dimension to 7 and 2. 7 and 2. But then when I print dimensions for 7, it's 1. What is happening? Oh, okay. So I'm setting the dimension in 2 places. So probably here it's setting the dimension seven and 2, 7 and 1. Okay. So horizontally it's setting the wrong dimension. Oh, this is this one. Okay. Other shape. So I'm not sure why it's doing this. So I'm checking. Okay, so the shape.width is more than 1, but this one should not was, because this one should be here. Okay, so this one is going to be those 2. Color length equals the max, so it's going to be, so why is it 7? Color length, gap length. So what I want is to find this one, 7, 1, 3, and why is the gap 1? Okay, so if shape.color equals 1, now I want console. Okay, so let me remove all of the other console.log. Yep, sorry, like this is not the cleanest one, but at some point this is like what it is to do real programming. Okay, and so tag. Okay, so I need this. Okay, so so color.1 and dimension equals 7. So now I want to do shape and other shape. Okay, so the first one is at 211. So 211, probably this one. And the second one is at 215. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Yeah, the same X and Y, but I forgot to check the color. And s dot color equals to shape dot color. Seriously. How? Why? Ah. No, okay, this was bad. This was stupid. Okay. So console.log, yeah. I'm gonna remove this. So now it passes for everything. But there's still console, yeah. So it passes for everything. This was bad. So all of the condition and everything are not like correct for everything. So here I didn't pass everything, but passing is going to be good enough for me. Yeah, it took me an hour to finish this one. But yeah, this was a complicated one. Like even for a human to find all of this. So glad I went through it. So now let's go to the next. Whoa, what is happening? Oh, okay, so here we just need to find the one that are like alone, and then just delete them. Okay. No, yeah, that should be pretty easy. Yep. So let's do it. So now we can like start rebreathing through. Come on, I have faith. And so we're going to be matrix shapes dot extract shapes input dot filter s dot length equals 1 dot for each dot so output of dot dot y dot dot x equals 0. And so now up 97, and this is done. Boom, bam, beam. Yep, this is so bad. Like this one, like the previous one took an hour, and this one is so easy. Okay, so yeah, this one we just feel okay. So this one is going to be super easy as well. We just extract shape and draw rectangle, and then we're done. Okay, so const. So shapes, extract shapes of the input, filter s dot color is not 0 dot for each shape. So I need draw rectangle. So extract shape. So draw rectangle, and so it takes the outputs. X is shape.x, y is shape.y, width is shape.width, height is shape.height, color is shape.color. And that should also pass. Oh. Okay, let's do T1. Input and the output. What? Oh, this is the opposite. I need to black out. Sorry. I need to black out the center. Okay, yeah, it should be pretty easy. Okay. So +1, +1, -2, -2, and 0. Yep. Okay, perfect. Tag 1 minute. Let's go next. So 99 then is going to be 100. Okay. Ooh. Okay, this is cool. This is really cool. Okay, so I'm going to choose this. Do I choose this or not? Yeah, So what I can do is I can extract the blue shape, find the colored shape inside, and then I can paint the shape in red. Like I can replace all of the blacks in red and then draw a line here. Okay, so I'm going to take like I don't think it's going to be 2 minutes, probably like 5 minutes, but should be relatively easy. Okay, so we're going to copy matrix. Count shapes equals extract shapes. So now I want the blue shapes. So blue shapes equals input. Actually, yeah. Okay, so I want, okay, let me extract the shapes. Okay, so now comes blue shapes equals extract shapes. Oh no, sorry. Shapes dot filter shape s dot color equals 1, I think. This one is 1. Okay, perfect. So okay, so blue shapes dot for each shape. Okay, and so now I want the dots. So now const dots equals shapes dot find s dot length equals 1 and s dot color is not 0 and is pixel in shape. Okay, and is pixel in shape. So the pixel is s in the shape. So now console.log dot. Let me see if I got the dots correct. T1 undefined. X s dot x y s dot y. Okay. So let me rename this to blue shape. Okay. So now I can do this. I don't need blue shapes. Okay. So why is it not finding the dots? Console.log blue shape. Okay. Console.log shapes. Does it find it? So I have the background. I have the blue shape and I have the dots. Okay. Shapes, it's good. Why is pixel in shape? Oh, okay. So I don't use, okay, so in pixel shape is actually looking at every single pixel. So it's not, okay. So what I want is inside the bounding box. So if s.x is more than shape.x and s.y is more than shape.y and and s dot, okay, so if it's and s.x plus s.width is less than shape.x plus shape.width and s.y plus s.height is less than shape.y plus shape.height. So why is not happy with shape? Blue shape. Let me go check. Okay, so now we find the dot. Okay, so now we have the dot and we have the color. So now what we want is for each shape. So now so now I want to go for let I equals shape dot, so let's j equals shape dot y minus 1, j less than shape dot y plus shape dot height plus j. Now let I equals shape dot x, I less than shape dot x plus shape dot y width plus I tac, and we do this. So now I want to iterate through this to here. Okay, so sorry, from here to here, and so if output of j dot I equals 0, then output dot j dot I equals dot color. Okay, so now this passes. Yep, so I basically like start from here to here, and if it's not black then I fill it. If it's black then I fill it. Okay, so now number 100. Number 100, number 100s, constant log. Okay, I'll need this. Number 100s. Is it hard? Is it easy? Let's see. Okay. Oh, so we just need to find the biggest one and do a 2x2 with this color. Okay, well, this is going to be super easy. Okay, so let's do it. Number 100. Number 100. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So we want to do a 2x2 matrix. So const shapes equals extract shapes input dot filter shape s dot color is not equal to 0. Oops. Now we need find the biggest shape equal shapes dot find s, and there's no shapes dot find ss where s is not equal to ss, and s dot width multiplied by s dot height is more than ss dot width multiplied by ss dot height. And now what we do is we draw square of the output x0, y0, size 2, and the color is biggest shape dot color. And so either I got it right or wrong here, so let's see. Nope, I got it wrong. So, and I got it right. Boom! Number 100 done. Okay, so we've got 100 out of 400. So yeah, this challenge is going. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, so we're going to need to zoom in. So we are going to need to zoom in to scale a shape. So we're going to need to scale a shape, and either by 1, 2, or 3. So yep, so I need to write scale matrix. Okay, so export default function scale matrix scale. So const width equals get width of matrix, const height equals get height of matrix, const output equals build matrix width multiplied by scale, height multiplied by scale. Okay. And return output. Okay, so now I got the output. So now I got the output. So now what I need to do is I need to iterate over every single pixel of the output. Let I equals 0, I width multiplied by scale plus I. For let j equals 0, j height multiplied by scale plus j. And so now what I want is output of j.I equals input of mat.floor. Actually, it should be divisible. And so, no, actually it should not be. It's not always. Okay, mat.floor. I divided by scale. No, it's going to be j divided by scale, and then mat.floor I divided by scale. Okay. Now I should be. So what I'm doing is I'm iterating over all of this, like this one, and then for each pixel of this one. So this one is going to be 0, 2. So it's going to be 2 divided by, no, 0, 1. So 1 divided by 2 is 0.5, so it's going to be 0, so it's going to be this one. And now this is going to be 2 divided by 2 is 1, so it's going to be this one. Okay, so now we have a scale matrix that works. So now let's do hundreds. And 1. 101. So now, are they always the same color? Yeah. And so we always have one shape. So there's always one blue shape. Okay. So we copy the input. So const shapes equals extract shapes blue. Okay, extract shape of the input. Const blue shape equals shapes dot find s dot color equals 1. Okay. Okay. Oh, but this, okay. Tac. And so now, oh, this is annoying because now I need to figure out like what are the control points of this shape. So const any color shapes equals extract shapes any color. Okay. Extract shapes any color of the input. And so now what do I do? What do I do? So I have this shape with all of the colors, and I have just this shape. Okay. And so const any color blue shape equals any color shapes dot find, and I want to find s dot find ss, and so I want to find, and so I want to find one with the pixel is blue. So input of pixel.y pixel.x equals 1 and is not, yeah, and so this exists. So console.log any color blue shape. So now T1. Okay, so we found this one. So we have the blue shape. Oops. It should be this. So we have the blue shape and we have the any color blue shape. So now what do I do? So now we want to find all of the other dots. Okay, so I'm going to scale this entire thing. Yeah, actually I don't need the blue shape. Okay. So now let me try. Okay, so now I want to find all of the dots. Const dots equals shapes dot filter, and so I want not shapes dot find where is pixel in shape S0 and in any color blue shape. Okay. So now I have all of my dots. So s.color is not 0 and okay, so I have the 2 dots. Okay. So I want dots dot for each dot. Okay, so what I'm going to do is are they always 1 pixel wide? Yeah, the start are always 1 pixel. So I'm going to matrix to, so const matrix equals matrix to string, matrix to string of, no, shape to matrix, shape to matrix, shape to matrix. Okay, so shape to matrix, so I want the input, and then I want the any color blue shape. Okay, and so now I want, so let matrix, so matrix equals scale matrix, the matrix, and we want to scale it with dot width. And now I want to copy some matrix. And for this is where I need to find the red so const red dot equals extract shapes of the matrix dot find and so I want s dot color equals red, which I think is 2. Okay, and so now I can do x0 red dot y0 red dot y dot x. Width is going to be get width of matrix. Height, so input is the matrix. Get height. The output is going to be the output. So x1 is 0, y1 is 0, and so x2, so this is in the target, so this is going to be red dot x, no, so this is dot, sorry, and y2 is dot y. Okay, so input is not defined in, oh yeah, I never like tested submatrix inputs. Input. Output, yes. Okay, so now I just need to not do it for the right one, but otherwise it's working. Okay, so now how do I check do I have one that's passing? Okay, is number 0 passing? And then I need to go, but I have an idea. Terminal. Is 0 passing? Why? Okay, stop. 101. T0. Yeah, it's passing. Okay. So the idea I have is so I re-extract the shapes. And if it's inside of a shape that has blue, so I do this. Now it pastes it. No, actually this is stupid. Yeah. Okay, I'll find a way. I don't know, but I need to run. But I'm very happy, like we got the 100, and yeah, this one took a long time, and yeah. So thanks everybody for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.